25 lakh tourists visit India's most well-known tourist destination, Goa. Not only is it known for its beaches, verdant greenery and rich history, the former Portuguese colony, located in the Western Ghats, is also rich in natural resources and is a biodiversity hotspot. Though India's smallest state, Goa is one of the richest, with a GDP per capita 2.5 times that of the country. The 11th Finance Commission has ranked Goa number 1 for its infrastructure, and it was also ranked among the top for quality of life by National Commission on Population, and a population and culture that is as diverse as one can get, be it the colorful coolies, the Catholics, Hindus, or other communities. Interestingly, Goa's female-to-male ratio of 968 to 1000 is far higher than the national average, clearly indicating an evolved and educated populace. In India, a significant form of local self-governments at the village level are the Gram Panchayats, which number about 265,000. Where Goa was concerned, after liberation from Portuguese rule in 1961, the President of India promulgated the Goa, Daman and Diu Village Panchayat Regulation 1962 under Article 240 of the Indian Constitution. Significantly, in Goa this year, the government will hold year-long celebrations for the Golden Jubilee of Panchayati Raj beginning 24th October 2012. Periodically, Gram Panchayats are recognized for outstanding development. Of the 189 Gram Panchayats in Goa, one such is Kirlapal Dhabal Panchayat, located in Sangyum Taluk. About 40 kilometers from the capital Panaji, the Panchayat was awarded the prestigious Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Sabha Puraskar 2011. Representing the Panchayat was its head or Sarpanch, Shri Rama Gaonkar, who received the award from Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh himself. Now I am the Sarpanch of Kirlapal village. In our old Panchayat body, we had 9 members for the past 5 years. All the hard work they have done got us the national award. The old body, which had 9 members, and the earlier Sarpanch prepared a good plan for the future development of the people. They made sure all the projects they had started are running properly. All the plans which they had were executed properly. Water, a life source which was in constant shortage for the villagers, was increased via mini dams which were constructed on 4 rivulets. The Panchayat also increased vital drinking water supply by constructing a wet well and installing pumps and pipelines to a tank and filtration unit.
पाणी अडवा, पाणी जिरवा या एखाद्या अनाथ चडशी स्किमी अनाथ केल्यो.
In some parts of these villages, we have betel nut plants, and some of the fields were facing problems because of the water-related issues. They were dependent on water. Now, because of the dams which we have constructed, as per the Pani Adwa Pani Jirva scheme, the water source is increased, and we are able to provide tap connections to all the homes. We were able to set up public taps. With the help of the Mineral Foundation, we were able to provide water till Kirlapal Dabal village. The same scheme will be continued till Bandul. We have always conducted meetings on time and have been executing the plans. We are also trying to work on each and every query from the people. However, if we get more authority, then it will be very helpful for us to address and solve individual problems. To aid young mothers, 8 childcare centers or Anganwadis were formed. and a recreation club was created for the Mahila Mandal. Members of the Mandal also grow various varieties of plants and edible vegetables. Which are supplied to the horticulture department.
आम्ही पहिले एक 10-12 वर्ष पहिली सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप
Around 10 to 12 years ago, we started the self-help groups.
गेले 5 वर्षात मी
In the past 5 years, we formed 40 groups and we started a federation.
आपल्याला मी थोडे बायला जे असतात ते ग्रुप भाजी रोयता
Some ladies are going to sell vegetables and some were going for cultivation.
धंदे करता तसेच
Before this, women in the village used to be at home, but after starting the federation, women got an opportunity to get out of their homes and were able to learn some things
बायला असतात ते घरानच राहू
which was very good for them.
ग्रुप केल्याने जो बायला असतात ते आमच्या घरातला
Panchayat always helps us.
हो एक मेन मसन आणि जे पंचायत आसा ते आमकां सदांच हेल्प करता केन्ना फाटल्यान ना.
Keeping in mind the health necessities of the villagers, a medical center was opened. The Panchayat has also ensured free medicines for all.
हांगा सांजचो दोनांक डॉक्टर येता पळय
Doctor comes here at 2 p.m. and he will be here from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m.
तो येयलो म्हणटकूच
He is good at his work and gives medicine to his patients free of cost.
लोकांक तो फ्री
People come here and get a good treatment from him.
येवन लोक ट्रिटमेंट करून बरे हितून बरो तपासता तो.
For protection of the land of the farm workers from encroachment and wild animals, the Panchayat has constructed community compounds too. Moreover, good roads and drains have also been built. Most importantly, the Kirlapal Dabal Panchayat has ensured that electricity has been supplied to every house. And last but not the least, the Panchayat has taken into account the needs of school-going children. Uniforms are provided every 2 years, books every year.
My pocket, which is the preposition here. Who will come here? The fourth underline. Yes, you come. Come and underline the preposition here. Very good.
Notably, school buses for pickup and drop have been made available for every child.
पंचायत जर म्हणपाक आसा जाल्यार आमचो वाठार जो आसा तो
We have a good school because of the Panchayat. The Panchayat has always been helpful for us. They have provided us books, uniforms, and helped us with transport facilities as well. Because of these facilities, people from outside the village are being attracted to come here.
सो जेणे करून आमकां गांवचे वाठार
We have been recommended as the #1 school in Goa.
आमचे आतां नंबर 1 स्कूल म्हणून गोवाक सुद्दां आमकां रेकमेंडेशन मेळ्ळा.
It is evident that the award money has contributed significantly to the future plans of this Panchayat.
जे पंचायतीचे जे फ्युचर प्लॅन आसा
We have different development plans for the future.
जेर आसा डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर आसा पयल्यात पयली
As the first priority, we are planning to construct a new building for the Panchayat,
आणि आमकां एक बरी सुसज्ज बिल्डिंग जावची
as the one which we have now is very old.
आमी फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटीचे बेजीचेर आमी पंचायत घर बांदपाचें येवजणी घेतलेली आसा.
खूप खुशी जाली आमची फूल
I felt very good, and so did the Panchayat.
जाली आमकां खुबशा लोकांनी सहकार्य
I was taken and brought back by flight. We never even thought we would win the award.
आणि हांव आमी
We also did some sightseeing, like the Taj Mahal, etc.
आमी पावले म्हाका खूब
I feel that the village's dream was fulfilled.
म्हाका दिसता आनी हांव सगळ्यांची आभारी आसा.
त्या भायर ह्या पंचायतीन जे भुरगे बेकार आसा
Children here did not have a playground, so Panchayat has planned to set up a ground for the children. 60% of the work related to the playground has been completed. The Panchayat has planned to set up a new 6-bedded hospital. There is a dam located in a place called Vagel. The dam is old and now the water is leaking from it. So we are planning to construct a reservoir. Because of that, we can use the water to help people and it will help us in agriculture as well. After this, we are planning to construct Anganwadis in each and every small place. Under the Mineral Foundation, we have already constructed Anganwadis in almost all the places. There are 2 places where we do not have Anganwadis. So from Panchayat, we have started the construction work for those two. And in a short while, the Anganwadis will be ready and children can make use of it.
कंप्लीट जातल्यो आनी त्यो त्या भुरग्यांक वापरपाक मेळटल्यो.
Today, the future of this Panchayat and the surrounding towns looks bleak. Over 75% of the income for the villagers comes from mining operations. And since its ban in September 2012, the villagers have had no source of income. This is evident from what can be seen.
आमी हांगा मायनिंगाचें कितें चलता म्हणून आमी पोट
We were earning money because of mining. Now, as the mining has been stopped, we are not earning anything. And we are in a lot of trouble. My daughter studies in Belgaum, and I am unable to apply for a loan. Now, because of this problem, I have a situation where I might have to stop her education.
आमचे हांगासर एग्रीकल्चरूय करता
We do not have the option of agriculture. And we also have some water-related issues.
हें बंद जाल्ल्या कारणान सगळेच आमकां लेबर
As the mining has been stopped, we are unable to earn money, and we have no other options.
आसा आनी ताका कांयच उपाय ना आमचे कडेन आतां हें करपाचें.
त्याच बरोबर जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जो प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो सॉल्व जावपा लागून
We are trying to fix unemployment issues.
मरेगा जी स्कीम आसा ती
As per the central government scheme called MAREGA, we are planning to provide jobs to the people of the village. And we are planning to give salary to the unemployed.
तांकां एक 100 दिसांचे रोजगार दिवपाचो गव्हर्नमेंटाचो जो
We are planning to provide them rozgar of 100 days, and right now we are working on it.
तांकां तो रोजगार दिवन आमी एक 100 दिसांचो तांकां पगार दिवपाचो हे आमगेलो उपक्रम जो आसा तो आतां नेटान चालू आसा एट प्रेझेंट.
2012 saw another panchayat receive the Rashtriya Gaurav Gram Sabha Puraskar. Located in North Goa, Onamolingam Kudicheram is about an hour's drive from Panaji, the capital of Goa.
जो आम्ही ग्रामसभा आम्ही घेतल्या त्यो रेग्युलर घेतल्यो.
We were regularly conducting the Gram Sabha. In a year, we conduct 8 Gram Sabhas. In this, 4 are ordinary and 4 are special. In most of the villages, we have constructed bus stops. In Vahan and in Kudicheri village, we have constructed a community hall. And our panchayat has selected a portion of land for a playground. And the government has provided us some funds, which we have utilized. We have requested government to give us the remaining funds, which can be used for development, so that we can finish the remaining work on the ground. We have built gutters along the roads, which helps us in rainwater drainage. We have a small health center in the neighborhood. And we request the government that we also need a big health center besides this. In future, we are planning to construct a good building for Gram Panchayat. We have acquired land for a ground. And once we get the funds from government, we will start the remaining development process.
आमच्या विलेजीत बारीक भुरग्यांचे काही इश्यू असतात.
We face some issues with children and we fix these problems in the panchayat. We motivate children to go to the Anganwadi, which we have constructed for them.
म्हणून आम्ही त्यांना मोटिवेट करता. त्यासाठी आम्ही अंगणवाडी बांधून दिली आहे त्यांना.
From the panchayat, we have started water sanitation so that all the people in the village can get purified water for use.
बरे क्लीन मिळचे म्हणून सगळ्या विलेजीत आम्ही रेझोल्यूशन अडॉप्ट करून पंचायती मार्फत.
As for questions raised by women and the problems which they are facing, we take them from the Gram Sabha to the government so that they can get the solution and some benefits out of it.
आम्ही पुढे धाडटा गव्हर्नमेंटाकडे की त्यांना
So with the help of panchayat, we try to develop the village.
संबंधी आणि असे करून आम्ही लोकांक घेऊन.
As of now, we have around more than 700 registered homes, but many are not registered.
काही घरा रजिस्टर जाग ना.
Onamolingam Kudicheram has a unique issue. Only houses that were built before the 70s were registered with the panchayat. All homes after that period, which is nearly 200 of them, were not registered and therefore had no access to the basics like water and electricity. The panchayat took this as a priority and is now in the process of ensuring that homes are being registered, thereby protecting and ensuring the rights of the tenants.
35 वर्सां जालें घर बांदल्यार पंचायती
It's been 35 years since we've had our own house, and it is not registered under Panchayat, due to which it is very difficult to get electricity and water supply.
त्यामुळे मेळोंक शकना.
Another issue was that farm workers were not getting most of the produce of the land and were living in dire poverty. In such cases, the Panchayat is helping to get the land the farmers work in their name, thereby ensuring fair distribution of income.
हांगासर चडश्यो ज्यो जमनी आसा त्यो सरकारी लागलेल्यो आसा किंवा
Most of the land is under government or under contract. We always request the Panchayat to register the land to the person whom it belongs. If the land is under his possession, then he can cultivate a lot of yield and make the most of it.
हेची गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन
The other concern for the Panchayat was working mothers and their children. To ease the lives of young mothers, the Panchayat committed itself to paying the rent for all the 9 Anganwadis.
We were paying rent for Balwadi, and even after paying rent, we were facing lot of problems. Water was coming inside. They were fixing the problems, however, facilities for children were not good. We did not have a toilet and washroom. We had to go very far to get water for regular use, and we were facing lot of trouble. Now, since the Panchayat has constructed a building for us, we have good facilities. Before this, we had issues like rainwater coming into the class and children getting wet while coming to Balwadi. Now, raincoats have been provided to children and they are happy.
The Panchayat is also ensuring that children from every household are being educated till the age of 14 at least. Awareness about the importance of education is created constantly by panchas who visit homes to convince parents about the need for schooling.
In our village, we have an Anganwadi. We send our children there who are below 2.5 or 3 years of age. Because of the Anganwadi, women in our village get some free time. The worker at Anganwadi takes care of our children. The Anganwadi takes care of our children's health. There in the Anganwadi, our children get vitamins and nutritious food, which helps our children to be healthy. So because of all these things, Anganwadi should always be there in our village. Committees
were also formed by the Panchayat for water sanitation, for